Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie, and today I'm going to be playing MM2, aka Murder Mystery, with my friend, sister, friends, and my cousin, and all the people who I'm friended in Roblox. So yeah, right now I'm loading in. It's gonna be really fun. By the way, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bells to get notified whenever I make a video. And yeah, so let's get right into it. Oh my god. So here they are. There they all were dancing. Let's see what I am. Okay, I'm glad I got innocent because I don't know how to do this on the computer, which sounds really newbie. I wonder who the murderer is. Oh my god, I heard it. Oh my god, run. Who was that? Oh, the gun. Oh my god, my friend just killed me. Oop. Oh my gosh. How do you get this? I am so bad at this. Ah. Molly just won. Alright guys, so as you see, so there's everybody that I'm going to introduce them. That is Donut. I'm not going to say their names because I don't know if they, why am I frozen? I don't know if they want to be exposed, I guess. That is Donut. That is Molly Myrtle. That's kind of her name. That is Jada Sky Fi. And that is New Cheeseburger Bay. And that is Soccer Bear underscore War 72. What am I? Oh my god, I'm innocent again. Who's topping the server? Oh my god, I'm topping the server! Yeah! Anyway, I'm on level 74 and I'm kind of bad at it on a computer. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, I just heard. Is it Donut? Who is it? Oh, okay. Who is it? Oh my god. Who's murdered? Oh my gosh. Who is the murderer? Oh my god, I'm trying to shoot. I think it's Kevin. Ah, I died. I know I'm really kind of bad at this on a thing like this. Oh my gosh, here I am. Who died? Alright guys, so here's everybody. I'm gonna go to the top of the Christmas tree. Ooh, soccer. Alright, looks like a hero saved the day. But I have to. Well, I'm pretty bad on a computer, but I have to film on a computer. Here's everybody, all my friends, and now we're all having a good time. Alright, here we go, next round. I hope I'm something good. I want to be Sherry. Oh my murder, guys. I don't want my friends to hear it, because they don't know how to do it. Gotta be very quiet because I don't want them to hear it. I don't want them to suspect me. Oh God, I have my knife in my inventory. I hate this map, honestly. Oh my God, where are they? Shh, I need to be a little bit quiet because I don't want them to hear me. Alright guys, so I'm innocent. Okay, I'm trying to make them sound like they hear that. I hate this map. Where are they? I want to be a camper. Oh guys, my friends hate when I'm a camper, so. Alright, whoa. JK. Alright guys, here we go. Where are they? Would they stop hiding? I'm here to kill. Is she dead? I don't know what's going on. A glitch is happening. What the heck? Who's alive, Molly? We're gonna play one more round and then I think that's gonna be it for the video, but I'm having another video come out today. So I hope this isn't boring for you. How can it be boring with my friends and my cousin and my sister and how, I mean, there's no one in here? What the heck? I'm so confused. Whatever, it's over, so I'm just gonna do my emote. Alright, guys. Okay, what happened? Say hi to Whitey. Circle me. I'm innocent. I think. Sorry. One more round. Maybe one more and then I'm ending it. Who is it? Oh my god, my sister killed me. Oh my gosh. Watch that girl go. There was Molly. Oh my god, guys. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Oh my god. Don't suspect me over here. Leave me alone, please. Sharon, I died. Oh, I just heard it. I just heard it. Ah! Okay, come on, Anna. I mean, cheeseburger. Ah, Claire! It's Claire. It's Claire. Sorry, I actually did not just expose her name. Oh my god, I died. And I died. How nice. Okay. Excuse them. They are willing. Bye guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and basically have a great day. Bye!